Are you looking for a Ajax new heat pump? Call on Twintech for local service that goes above and beyond. Rely on licensed heat pump technicians who are as courteous as they are professional. Your heat pump system not providing enough heat or blowing cold air instead. It's the time, maybe time for heat pump replacing your existing old heat pump with a high efficiency up to 98%. We will help you when you are looking for a Ajax new heat pump. Why use us? Are you looking for a Ajax new heat pump? On time for scheduled appointments, thorough in our work and show craftsmanship every time, well-groomed and clean appearance, honest, respectful to you and your home, competitively priced. We have extensive HVAC repair and installation experience. We excel at anything heat pump. Call us today for help when you are looking for a Ajax new heat pump. HVAC is an abbreviation for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. A qualified HVAC technician is a technician who installs, maintains, and repairs heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration systems that control the temperature and air quality in buildings. HVAC. R as an alternative abbreviation.